what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see from the title, this video is going to be a braiding tutorial, and the wig that I'm working with is from Ywigs. If you don't know about them, I did work with them before, and I basically showed you guys that you can flat iron curly hair and then you can revert it back to its original state, and that video did really good. I actually had some people tell me they bought the unit and that it was the bomb. A friend of mine actually did buy it, and her hair, she ended up bleaching it, so it was like a pretty brown and the curls was still bomb. So shout out to Ywigs for sending my subscribers what they sent me, because literally hers was the bomb. So as you guys know, like the last video, you can use the coupon code Diane to get some money off of your order. So all about this unit that I'm wearing. So this is a Peruvian human hair wig. It is a full lace wig, so like the back, I don't know if you guys can see, the back is literally like if the part was like the right way, you could literally just see lace. I thought that was pretty cool, and that's great because there's rare that you see wigs you could just part all the way down the middle. So the density of this unit is 180, and that is true to, you know, what it says on the website. In my opinion, it isn't super heavy, it's just the right amount. So the length of this unit is 20 inches, and I did wear this wig a little bit before, you know, making this video. I just wanted to test it out, and it was great. I did sleep in it. I have a literal problem of sleeping in wigs, but it withheld, you know, me sleeping in it. I wore this for my ID picture. A lot of things. I've been wearing this wig on and off. If you have me on Snapchat, you probably did see that. So the lace on this unit already comes like light brown, so I really like that. The hairline already comes pre-plucked. This unit comes in like a natural color, so it isn't completely black, but it isn't completely brown, so it looks very good. It's like a 1B. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got, you know, this cute style. So I do want to say in this tutorial, I did, you know, have my friend braid it in 2 braids, but I decided to make like a crown, and I think it looks so adorable. This is so cute. It looks so natural in my opinion. It's just my opinion. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this, then please keep watching. Also, all of the hair details will be in the description, so don't forget to check out Ywigs. Alright guys, so I had my bestie do these braids for me because I'm not the best braider. When it comes to braiding and keeping them on the scalp, it just doesn't really work. But as you can see, she's parted the hair and then she sectioned it, and she is doing one side at a time. She did not get to record the second braid because my camera overheated. But yes, as you guys can see, you do like, you know, a braiding pattern, and you just keep going until it's done. I wish I knew how to braid. I literally need to learn. But yes, she's continuing to do that throughout this process. And I do just want to add in that I didn't have to got-to-be glue install this. I did it like glueless. So I literally just placed it on my head. It fit on my head. It was very big head friendly, and I really liked that. And now getting closer to the end, as you guys can see, she's continuing to braid all the way down. I could have worn 2 braids, but I decided not to, so I just ended up like pinning them around my head. And then off camera I did do some baby hairs. Lately my camera has been acting up, so I haven't been able to record everything. But yes, all I had to do was literally place the wig on my head and swoop some baby hairs and pin those braids, and the look that I got was so adorable in my opinion. If you don't think so, just thumbs this video down. But yes, I literally was so obsessed. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you like the final look, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to check out Ywigs.